Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get an FC Mobile 2025 modded version. We got unlimited everything for free. So let's get into the tutorial. This is the modded version. It works on iOS and Android. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So all you have to do is go to this site. It's called hexmods.com. It's a pretty cool site to be on. Find the FC Mobile 2025. You can search it up. If you don't see it, press the download button and it's going to start downloading the mod. So there you go. That's how to get it. But before it downloads, there is a verification you have to do where you have to complete 2 apps and follow instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're also from the official App Store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process, show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it's going to say like please install 2 apps. It's going to be around 4 of them. So just download 2, complete instructions. You can see Family Island says reach level 15. So that's pretty easy. So you just press tap to install. It's going to bring you to the Play Store, and you just download it. If you're on an iPhone, it'll bring you to the App Store, but that's how to get the FC Mobile 2025 mod. Make sure you're reading the instructions. You can see down, install, register, valid info, install, open, and play 2 games, whatever it is. And that's how to get the FC Mobile 2025 mod. Look at that, guys. Everything is free. We got all currencies unlocked. We got freeze players, auto goal, auto speed, new players. You know, everything is here. We got just so many settings in this mod. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because this is super crazy and it fully works and everything. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in stuff like this, because it is super cool. Fully works, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is super wild. It's like updated and everything. So hope you enjoyed it. I just try to help people and stuff. So that's why I made this video. And peace out.